Hey YouTube, this is Sir Rem here. Today I'm installing a new battery in my bike. And this is the old battery right here. The stock one. Check out the weight on her. £6.65. Actually 6 pounds, 6.5 ounces. And here's the new lithium battery. £2, 7.5 ounces. And here's what it looks like installed. Yes, I know I don't have the positive boot all the way covering it. Got a couple things I want to check before I finish. It's been a while since I've had an update. The bike still tore apart. Life kind of took me for a loop here, so I wasn't able to ride much this year. Basically, if you watched my video doing the 3 things that nobody really knows about me, it explains in there that I had an illness a few years ago, and it's kind of had some lasting effects on me. And so I'm working on trying to correct some of those issues so that I can get back to living normal. Once I get that done, there'll be a lot more videos coming out. I still want to ride the bike, still want to make a ton of videos. The last time I rode was January 1st. I believe it was January 1st. Anyway, I'll link the video up above. Another thing too is my charging unit right here is in the way, so that when the handlebar comes over it hits it, so I have to find a different place to mount it. So I'm in the process of doing that also. Anyway, keep an eye on the channel. There'll be a lot more to come. Probably going to put up a bunch of gaming videos. I've been playing a lot of Minecraft lately. So stay tuned, and we'll probably put out the next video once we hit 400 subscribers. So let's get that baby going. Sir Rem, over and out.